Hi, I'm Miles with Solar Tops here with another FAQ video. This topic is evaluating a solar proposal. In this episode of Solar FAQs, we're going to take a different approach. We're going to help you know the right questions to ask when evaluating a solar proposal. Is the system size being recommended correct? Your system should be sized to help offset your current or future energy usage, so it's important to know how much energy your home uses over the course of the year. You can easily gather this information from your utility company by logging into their website or giving them a call. Then compare this with the amount of energy the solar proposal states the system will produce in the first year to see what the offset percentage will be. Always remember, a system produces slightly less power each year, so any trustworthy company should be able to show you a power production chart, which shows you what your system's energy production will be over the next 25 years. We've included a link on how to calculate your system size in the description of the video. What type of equipment are they using? As with anything, the equipment being used can impact the price of the system. Standard products will typically be slightly lower in price, but premium products like those used by Solar Tops produce more energy for longer periods, which can help save you more money on your energy bills long term. If it's not clearly stated in the proposal, ask what types of products are being used and request a copy of the spec sheet. This sheet will tell you more about the capabilities and warranty of the product. When it comes to inverters, we prefer in-phase microinverters to other inverters or DC optimizers in the market. Simply put, they are the best. They perform excellent in our unique climate, have an outstanding monitoring system that gives us great insight on how each panel is producing throughout the day, and offer industry-leading end-to-end warranty protection, which covers both parts and labor. You just can't beat that. Are there any additional options they've included? Just like with vehicles, it's important to know if your system has any add-ons or upgrades. Add-ons can include a pest barrier, a consumption monitoring device, or an EV charging unit. Upgrades are typically included only if needed, but can include a service panel upgrade or even a roof repair, all of which can be rolled into the price of your system and be eligible for any available tax incentives and rebates. What warranties are included? Warranties can be broken down into those from the manufacturer and those from the solar installer. With the manufacturer, figure out how long the warranty term is, if it includes both parts and labor, and what are the reasons the warranty may not be covered. For instance, a panel manufacturer may not warranty a panel that was damaged by a golf ball. Warranties from the installer may vary more, but reputable installers will provide workmanship warranties, system performance warranties, and roof penetration warranties. Solar Tops offers the industry's best 25-year warranties that give you total coverage. In all cases, make sure to read the fine print so you know what's covered. How do I know if I'm getting a good deal? Although evaluating the quality of a solar proposal depends on a variety of unique factors, such as amount of energy needed, budget, available roof space, type of equipment being offered, etc., it is typically easiest to compare the value of the proposal by calculating its price per watt. This is calculated by taking the total cost of the system and dividing it by the total system size in watts. A good deal should be between $2 to $3 per watt. Solar Tops prides itself on providing the best value in solar. We'd be happy to give you a free, no obligation, unbiased review of any proposal you've received and give you our best offer when you're ready to make the switch to solar. That's another edition of Solar FAQs. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website, call, text, or email us, and be sure to subscribe for more answers to your frequently asked questions.